Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your crypto portfolio for the 2024 bull run. We are almost there, just a couple of days until the year begins, and I'm going to give you hard facts on how you build your portfolio because you have been lying for months and years on YouTube by YouTubers like me and others on how you can make money in crypto. So I'm going to give you hard facts on what the real investors do and what I have been doing on last bull run to be successful. Because if not, you are going to lose all your investments and you are going to see your crypto pump and then dump a 90%. So in this video I'm going to give you the key points that you need. I'm going to show you two successful examples and I'm going to give you my conclusions for this video. So in this video you are going to understand what return on investment is. I'm going to show you a little bit of technical analysis too on my examples, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to create your portfolio, not in a conservative way because crypto is super risky, but how you are going to minimize your risk doing my strategy and the strategy that actually investors do on another spaces like in stocks and real estates and many other. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well this is not my usual type of video. I focus on airdrops or covering projects, but I think this is important because I have been seeing more and more hype videos about coins and I am a little worried that you may not have a strategy for this bull run. So I'm going to teach you which is the best strategy to create your crypto portfolio, which you never hear about this strategy because all YouTubers tell you what I write here. Right now in the crypto space, all YouTubers do videos about top AI coins to earn 1 million. So you need to put money and sell when you did 100 or 20 or 50 X's on the top of the bull run. Buy these gaming coins now and be a millionaire. Put money, sell when these coins do 100x on the top of the bull run. This is all the kind of videos that you are seeing right now, and you are going to see more videos like those over time during 2024. This coin will do 100x this bull run. So you need to put money and sell when the token does 100x on the top of the bull run. So this is a worst strategy ever for investors. This is what nobody's talking about. So your priorities when you invest are not lose money, recover your ROI, sell your position, and reinvest. These are the 4 things that you need to care when you start any investment. This is not only for crypto, but especially for crypto. And this is what people that is successful in business and people that trade and people that invest in stocks and also invest in real estate and other niches are doing and have been doing for hundreds of years. You don't see on this list that your priorities is wait 50 or 100x of your investment before you sell. That is not in any book of investment, and that is a lie that we say YouTubers in crypto to all the communities. There's nothing wrong to speculate on 100x from a price of a token, but that is not how you create your portfolio on the bull run, and that is not how you should invest on a token. So your 4 priorities are these, and from these 4, the most important one, of course, not lose money, but is recover your ROI. ROI is the return of your investment. So if you put $2, your main concern is recover those $2. You don't want to lose those $2, but in terms of earnings, your first goal is to recover those $2. So if you put $2 on your investment and your investment after some time is valued at $3, you already need to start thinking on taking out your return of investment. And that is super important, and that is never talking crypto. So I'm going to give you 2 examples with 2 coins that I did on the last month so you can understand it. And I shared this in my private Discord. We have there a section for portfolio strategies, besides all the different airdrops channels and crypto in general, meme coins and more that we have, BRC20 Bitcoin ecosystem, we are also investing in BRC20. So many things happen in my Discord, and I have been covering these examples on my Discord. So if you want to join me, go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. You have my Discord there, and you also have my airdrop application. I did an investment on Beam token. If you don't know this token, right now it's at 2 cents, a little more, rank 77. This token pumped a lot. You can see this is the chart from the existence on basically the end of October in the market. This is a gaming project, very interesting project that I am bullish. So how I create my portfolio for this bull run? So the first thing that I did is I did my own research. I spent 20 days about this project, going, researching everything, thinking about my strategy and also my entry point to buy. To do that, of course, you need a little bit of technical analysis. So one recommendation is to try to figure out and try to learn a little bit of technical analysis, at least to know when to sell and buy in the short term. So after I did my research, then I bought around the 20th of November at 0077 a amount of tokens. I was really bullish on this project, so I invested a lot of money on it. Right now this is at 2 cents, so you can see practically 300% up, so we already did 3x's on that. This is a project that I think it could do 50x's. So I want to be clear, there's nothing wrong to speculate on that level, but that is not how you invest. So what I did is I already sold 2 times and I already recovered my ROI. So right now I leave the rest of the position, stake it, getting interest. And besides that, now I have like 40% of what I initially bought of Beam tokens, expecting to sell on the top of the bull run and make those 50x's that everyone is talking about. But you need to understand that I am already 3x's from my initial investment, but I didn't leave everything. Thinking that you are going to make 50x's or 100x's with any token that you buy is just crazy and it's stupidity. That is not how investments work. You need to recover your investment. That is your first priority. So right now I have a 40% of all the tokens that I initially bought, and at this point I already took out all the money that I invested and I'm using that money to invest in another coins. This amount of tokens are going to be the tokens that are part of my portfolio, expecting those 50x's on the end of the bull run. So right now I cannot lose money. I will not see my money go up and down at 90% again on the end of the bull run, because my money is already safe again with me. I already took out my investment. And I am not attached to these coins. So if you are attached to any project or coins, you are going to lose money because you are not going to know when actually buy, and you are not going to know mostly when to sell, and probably you are not going to sell it. If you already have been here a bull run, you probably saw almost all your portfolio go up and down 90%. This is my third bull run. I did it very badly on the first one, 2017, but in the bull run of 2021, I sold 65% of all my portfolio. And I have to say, it was really difficult to do. I bought on the COVID crash like a champion on the lowest point of the bear market, but it was really difficult to sell. I needed to know technical analysis and be unattached emotionally for my coins. So that is something that you also need to consider. You don't need to be married with any coin or project. It's going to be difficult to sell it when the times come. So you can see in this Beam example, this is how I did this strategy. I now have a 40% of the initial investment that I did in tokens sitting there generating interest, and I will try to sell it at the top of the bull run like many of you. But right now I cannot lose money and I have my money back to invest in something else. And this is a screenshot that I just took from Binance. I bought here and I sold here and here. This is a gravestone doji candle. This is a reverse pattern, so this is super obvious if you know a little bit of technical analysis. Those gravestone doji candles are usually at the top of a reversal trend, and like you can see in BMX chart, that happened here, the gravestone doji, and we reverted. But this chart is really healthy. Right now we are creating this base around the 0.017, so this is super healthy. I did some scalping right now here with BMX, but the investment that I did is this one. I bought here and I already sold here and here, recovering my ROI position and leaving a 40% of my initial bought for the next of the bull run. Also, doing this strategy allows you to reinvest in the token. It's not that I'm not going to invest more money in BEAM. Maybe I do that. Let's say that BEAM goes to 4 cents and then retrace to 3 cents. Maybe I want to invest again at that point, even if we are already in the bull run. But that for me is considered a new investment. It's nothing to do with it with the first one. So I will apply the same strategy. If I enter into 3 cents, when I recover on the bull run to 4 cents, I'm going to sell and recover my investment. If you put money one time right now and you hope for those 50x's, you will be out of liquidity to enter into better positions or even into new projects that could have more potential than BEAM that is already at position 75. Another example that I wanted to show you is with Myra. It's a project that I covered in my channel for the airdrop. Right now it's at 1 cent and 1. If you go to my website and you search it for Myra, you will see that I covered this a couple of times. Even in the top 7 crypto gaming for the next bull run, I put Myra in November 20. You will be already in a couple of X's if you bought at that moment. But I started to look at Myra in the end of March, in April, and I entered a big position on Myra after doing my research. That research took me 2 months. I was seeing this project for 2 months before doing my investment. Then I bought around the first week of July at 0.00189. Right now it's at 0.112, so it's almost 10x's. I sold one time already when it was at 0.009. I waited too much there, so I needed to recover my money before, but I already sold. This is another coin that I think it could do 50x's from my initial investment, but I am not waiting those 50x's. I am taking my return of investment very quickly. So right now, after seeing 9x's on the price, I took out my position. I leave the rest of the position getting interest, and now I have like 65% of what I initially bought of Myra tokens, expecting to sell on the top of the bull run and make 50x's. In this particular case, I did 9x's from my investment before I took my investment out. So I also took profits from that investment to put in something new. So from the 100% that I invested, I have 65% still on my position that I will try to sell on the top of the bull run. So right now I cannot lose money. I will not see my money go up and down, even if I took profits from Myra, and I am not attached to the coins. So with these two examples, it's clear what is the strategy and how you build your crypto portfolio. It's not investing all your money in different coins and just waiting for the top of the bull run. That is a stupid idea. You don't need to lose money, you need to recover your investment first, and you need to sell your position in order to reinvest. So that is what this crypto portfolio strategy is about. And you can see in this example, I already have a bag of BEAM, I already have a bag of Myra for the bull run. So doing this at this point of the bull run is going to be your best strategy to create that crypto portfolio. If you have $10,000, my recommendation is to do your own research for the different coins. In that case, you can help your research with those hype videos from YouTubers. I also have a couple of those, but that is only for give you projects to review, nothing more. You need to do your own research. As soon as you can see that you can get your ROI, don't doubt it, take it out. First rule is don't lose money, so take your investment out. Don't worry about missing a couple of tokens on your bag, because if you are thinking, well, it would be better for you if you just leave the 100% of BEAM, you really don't know that, and you are going to lose money and you are not going to sell correctly on the bull run. So that is a stupid idea. You need to take your investment out, you need to take some profits if you can. like I happened in the case of Myra, and you can leave the rest for the bull run. Just putting money and waiting the top of the bull run, expecting those 50, 100x, like all the videos that you can see right now, is a stupid and a bad strategy. So take this in consideration, and of conclusions I just want to tell you. Research before invest, and not because you saw a video online. Put your money, get an alert when you do 1x of your initial investment, and from there you need to start to think in getting out a 25 or a 50% there. Leave the rest, do another 3-4x's maybe, take the rest of your ROI. If you want to take the 100% after you double the money, that is perfect. That will mean that you will let a 50% of your initial investment to that run, and that is okay, guys. If you buy 1,000 tokens of anything and you then leave 500 tokens but you recover your investment, you are doing it better than many on the crypto space. Then you can leave the rest to the bull run and try to catch the tops. Learn TA to know a little bit better when to buy and sell, and join my Discord and airdrop application. You go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. I'm going to be with my community there, making money during 2024 with many airdrops, and also with crypto in general and crypto investments. So I hope you join me in my community. We are 400 in my Discord. At some point I'm going to close my Discord because I don't want it with thousands of people there. We have managed high level of information regarding crypto and airdrop, so I'm going to close it at some point. But for now you can join. And of course I'm going to be helping there, giving my expertise on what I have been doing on the last bull run that worked perfectly. So that will be all for this video, how to create your crypto portfolio for the 2024 bull run. Put your comments below. What do you think about this strategy? This is how real money is made and how real investors invest in projects or commodities or whatever. That will be all. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.